insert, right. So she made record that. Right, so Mac to kiss over the heat and shell. Okay, so we heat Johnson kiss over the door image for each. So we kick on erase the formula P1 V1 cosma P2 V2. Okay, I guess we kiss the heat Johnson. A certain mass of methane has a volume of 40 centimeters cubed at a pressure. So reached ten brew ig 1 by 10 to the power of 5 midi fa caraha cosma a brew P2 ig volume da Ceacht centimeter cubed. Okay, so the P2 cosma caraha midi fa j guarda quick around to Ceacht, so the P2 cosma so question shandy calculator caraha midi fa j guarda quick around to Ceacht I guess you to yavi Fisic mile. So 2.5 by 10 to the power of 4. Okay, I guess it reached Jin in it Pascal PA. So now Jin Jammers in the screen. Okay, at what pressure would the volume be? 80 centimeters cubed. So it reached right here in the reach 1 by 10 to the power of 5 medi fa caraha cosma P daw medi fa artmo. So reach the P daw cosma caraha medi fa j guarda quick aranter artmo. I guess it reached caraha fa j guarda quick aranter artmo. I guess you took quick a mile. So 5 by 10 to the power of 1 Ceacht Pascal. Was it okay? Any words in? Huh? New words in there, no? Okay. I guess I get the journal on chin. Heen centimeter cubed. So shin part of heen, part of do, I guess part of 3. It reached you to 1 by 10 to the power of 5 midi fa cara centimeter cubed cosmla P for 1 centimeter cubed. So it reached to P cosmla 40 by 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Okay, so it reached you get in a screamer 4 by 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. Okay, I guess you can test over it all. But there's an atom, yeah? Right. Test over the 3. Figure 10.14. So then just go to trapped air into yeah rod. Okay, shows 1 air trapped in a bicycle pump. No air escapes and the temperature remains constant when it is compressed. Figure 10.14b. Now describe what changes, if any, take place in every heen the mass of the air. So Adam, just go to when you kiss 3 parts of heen. Right? So kiss 3 parts of heen. Near latter be into mass, yeah. Because near higlan ten mass ten made kerne air on, so the mass remains the same, even though it has come compressed. We shouldn't take again, yeah? You can like to move 50 centimeters cubed onto the air, and I compress it to still the mass. Ten mass can the volume changes, but ten mass can so near at how be the mass. Okay, so screws and sheets. Okay, so nial, so kiss 3 parts of heen. Nial at how be the mass. Nial at how san mass. Okay, part of the door. The volume of the air. So torch increases or decreases. How can I shoot the trapped air? Right? So shows some air trapped in a bicycle pump, no air escapes and the temperature remains constant when it is. Describe when it is compressed. Describe what changes, if any, take place in the mass of the air. It remains the same. The volume of the air decreases. So leading shell. Leading and torch. Okay, so leading and torch. You can do any. Yeah. PJ? Yeah, because it's what you said, Eric. So it shouldn't compress and then to lead. You compress it, so therefore it is a green sleep. So reach every door tá sé léadú. Okay, every 3, the pressure of the air ag méadú. So ríist every 3 tá an brú ag méadú. Okay, so ag méadú. Agus I cinn dearna an dluas ag méadú catia. Right, so must we do a formula, right? So we just do a formula to dluas when you part of the quick, okay, to dluas cosma mass is gone torch. Okay, now the mass of on it mulle gern but an torch get in ye slew. So therefore my ring to rudder be ever in ye slew median and dluas, so it becomes more dense. Obviously, you compress something, it becomes more dense. So reached 10 dluas so the ration te an dluas ag méadú. Okay, so 10 dluas ag méadú. Mushin tiki gan on you. Okay. Right, parameter AKG. It's no good. Yeah. Right, parameter AKG kest ever keher and shot. Kest ever keher. The volume of a certain mass of gas is 700 centimeters cubed at a pressure of 1 by 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Find its volume if the pressure changes to 2 by 10 to the power 5 Pascal. So reach smuichi P1 V1 cosma P2 V2. So reach test kun it's 1 by 10 to the power 5. For torch da Ceacht 8 centimeter cubed cosm la nestimate cartoon temperature over da is 2 by 10 to the power 5 medifa V2. So to meet quarter V2. So to V da cosma 700 by 10 to the power 5 around to the 2 by 10 to the power 5. Which the cosma 3 here quiga centimeter exertion can't you go into unit card. 3 here centimeter cubed. Okay. Okay, canella right can reach to V da so shin party hin party da to V da cosma Ceacht 8 medifa j quarter quick around to Ceacht medifa j quarter quick Pascal. So reach fregere Kate centimeter cubed. Agus a ken journa every 3 to V da cosma Ceacht 8 medifa j quarter quick around to quick medifa j quarter keher. Now be kurumala shen. Quick medifa j quarter keher. It is the shin cosmla 0.5 ranson to mile carry centimeter cubed to be. Yeah, mile carry centimeter cubed. Point to stand the calculate. Okay. So kiss the cat with the temperature remaining constant throughout, obviously. Okay. Because the kiss journal, kiss over the quick. Can journal we find over bola. The value of pressure versus volume PV of a fixed mass of gas is 20 pascals per meter cubed. So these tests equal P medifa V cosma fihe pascal centimeter cube matter cube. Okay. Right, so the value of pressure by volume of fixed mass gas 20 at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So egg 50 degrees Celsius. So shouldn't all this do. Okay, if the pressure is trebled and the temperature remains the same, find the new value of PV for mass of gas. So we reached an average. If the pressure is trebled and the temperature remains the same, find the new value of PV for the mass of gas. G. Harlan, when we treble the pressure, G. Harlan on torch, change it becomes 3 times less. But we wait within invert, to we shall go a little rod, much shall go to rod Kierna. So Jane Frigere, it's the same. So Fan and Chamari Kierna. So Reached, Ma Baden Tune, so just meet your shop. Ma Baden Tessin Brew, 3 edit, Tatu Gluedu, a torch, 3 edit. And therefore, you'll have be into overall pressure by volume. Okay, because the near 3 just got to calculate a more. Okay, so Reached, smith your shan, so PV, so Reached, ta PV, Murray Gurna. I.e. ag fihe Pascal sa mother QB yeah, because Reached kunny kamye to P1 V1 quadrat P P2 V2. So more increasing to P cha to volume to the follow rod Kierna so to PV go only got away with again. It'll always be the same asna atanan chart. Which is okay, yeah? Okay. Right. So shin no new I just go to review pause or video.